Hey coffee lovers! Check out the watchget Espresso Tamper base made from natural walnut with a golden stainless steel pitcher holder. This 4-in-1 station keeps your espresso tamper, distributor, portafilter, and latte art pitcher organized and within reach. The silicone tamping mat is detachable, making it easy to clean after each use. It fits all portafilter sizes and calibrated tampers, ensuring versatility for any espresso setup. 4 anti-slip feet keep the station stable and protect your countertop from scratches. Remember to maintain the wood with wax oil and avoid prolonged high temperatures for durability. Elevate your coffee routine with this stylish and functional espresso accessory. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.